am is our verb ing ကိုအခုဖြစ်ပျက်နေတဲ့အကြောင်းအရာကိုဖော်ပြဖို့အသုံးပြုနိုင်တယ်လို့မကြာမီကာလမှာဖြစ်ပျက်မဲ့ကိစ္စရပ်နဲ့မိမိလုပ်ရမှာတွေကိုဖော်ပြဖို့အတွက်လည်းအသုံးပြုနိုင်တယ်အပြောဝကြနှမျိုးရှိတယ်ဥပမာငါမင်းကိုစကားပြောနေတယ် I'm talking to you I am talking to you နောက်တစ်ခုကအငင်းပါတဲ့ဝကြ negative sentence ငါမင်းကိုစကားပြောနေတာမဟုတ်ဘူးအပြောဝကြက subject verb object manner place time reason ပုံစံနဲ့ပြောရမယ်အခုကရိယာခေါ်မယ်ဆိုရင် verb ရဲ့အရှိမအမြဲထားရမယ်အငင်းဝကြ negative sentence လုပ်ချင်ရင်လည်းအခုကရိယာရဲ့နောက်မှာထားရမယ်ဥပမာ I'm not talking to you I am not talking to you စသဖြင့်သုံးရပါမယ်ပြီးတော့မေခွန်းဝကြကိုသုံးမျိုးတည်ဆုံနိုင်တယ်ဖြစ်ပျက်နေတာကိုဒီတိုင်းမေးနိုင်တယ်လို့အခြေအနေအချိန်နေရာတွေကိုမေးဖို့ WH နဲ့အခုကရိယာတွေ့ပြီးမေးနိုင်တယ်ပြီးတော့ဖြစ်ပျက်နေတာမဟုတ်လားစတဲ့အငင်းဝကြမျိုးကိုလည်းမေးနိုင်တယ်မေခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုရင်အခုကရိယာကိုဝကြရှိထုတ်ပြီး subject verb object MPTR manner place time reason အတိုင်းလိုက်ပေးရမယ်လေ့ကျင့်ခိုင်းသွားရအောင်စကားလုံးအခြေအဆက်နဲ့အတန်ထွက်ကိုအာရုံစိုက်ပါ I am doing my homework I'm doing my homework the sun is not shining the sun isn't shining it is raining outside it's raining outside Mong is reading the morning newspaper your mother is calling you now The girls are not singing anymore. The girls are not singing anymore. The baby is still sleeping. Look, the teacher is coming. I am still looking for a job. I'm still looking for a job. Be quiet. Grandma is sleeping. I am going to visit them tomorrow. I'm gonna visit them tomorrow. We are going to see movie tonight. We're gonna see movie tonight. We're gonna see movie tonight. My father is coming back soon. Sarah is looking at me. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What am I going to do? What am I gonna do? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you going to do today? What are you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What are you got? What do you look at tonight? What shall you let tonight? Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? What is this? What's this? That is why. That is why. That's why. How's everybody? How's everybody? How's it going? How's your brother? I am just thinking about you. I'm just thinking about you. I'm just thinking about you. I am doing my best. I'm doing my best. They are waiting for you. They're waiting for you. They are studying about Asian countries. They're studying about Asian countries. What is happening right now? What's happening right now? We are dancing together. We're dancing together. Is not he coming yet? Isn't he coming yet? Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside? Is she going to sing tonight? Is she gonna sing tonight? Is she gonna sing tonight? You are not listening to me. You're not listening to me. You aren't listening to me. You are not listening to what I am saying. You're not listening to what I'm saying. You aren't listening to what I'm saying. It's not that are not yet noted than trigger ain't. Ain't ကနှစ်ခုလုံးအတွက်အသုံးပြုနိုင်တယ် Where are you going? Where are you going? I am falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. My uncle is coming to our house. An elephant is carrying a big log. Man after man is applying for a job. Am I talking to you? I'm not talking to you. He's working as a salesman. He is working as a salesman. She is telling me a story. She's telling me a story. It's time to go. So let us start. Let us start. I am not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. ရီတော့အမှန်ဖတ်တော့အတန်စုတလို့ပဲ when why what လို့အတန်မထွေးပါနဲ့ when why what လို့အတန်ထွေးပေးပါမိမိဘာသာပြန်ကြည့်ပါ who you are when no one is looking is who you really are. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different result. Who's that man with the white shirt? I'm working as a clerk. Are you working now? Not yet. I'm still looking for a job. It's certain. It's nothing. I'm delighted. It's quite possible. It's good to see you. I'm waiting for you.